Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Volvo V40 2.0 D4R Design Pro Auto, a sleek and efficient hatchback finished in gray with a black leather interior. Designed for both style and comfort, it delivers a refined driving experience. At the side, the V40 sits on 18-inch alloy wheels, with sculpted lines and an aerodynamic profile, enhancing its sporty appeal. At the rear, the LED taillights, reverse camera, and integrated spoiler give the V40 a dynamic and practical design. Powered by a 2.0-liter D4 diesel engine, delivers strong performance and excellent efficiency. Cruise control and the stop-start system enhance fuel economy and driving convenience. Stepping inside, experience a premium cabin with heated front seats, electric folding mirrors, and Bluetooth. The infotainment system includes DAB radio, navigation, and keyless start for seamless connectivity. At the rear seats, passengers enjoy ample space and premium materials, ensuring a comfortable ride. The spacious cargo area provides excellent practicality for everyday use. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration G, D66YCR, to book a test drive or request a video tour.